Alright guys, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows now. So you want to ensure that you have a flat brush. As long as it's flat enough for the concealer. Um, and of course, any one of your favorite concealers, as long as it's at least 2 shades lighter or so. Um, so yeah, let's get right into the tutorial. Oh, and I almost forgot. Ensure that you have your eyebrow pencil um, and spoolie to use to brush it out. So yeah, let's go. Um, so this is the LA color brow pencil. This is warm brown. So as you can see, I don't have any eyebrows because I shaved them off. Do outside. So let's go. So for me, I normally just do whatever because at the end of the day, the concealer is really going to clean up and just shape up for me, especially since I got rid of my eyebrows. Um, Concealer is going to clean up and shape up, so you don't necessarily have to get a perfect, perfect brow at this step. So I'm just darkening, giving it a shape, of course. Um, yeah. So this is the right brow. And you can go as thin as you want or as thick as you want. Okay, so unfortunately, I don't really go with every little beauty hack or technique that I see or whatever. It's all about preference and what looks good to you. 'Cause at the end of the day, makeup is art, and you are creating art on your face. So, alright, guys. So I have the desired shade. I hope that you also have the desired shade. You're going to go in with your spoolie because you're going to brush it out a bit, not too much, but these parts of the eyebrows, you're going to lighten them as much as possible and brush inside. I don't have any brows already, but I still have to brush it to diffuse it a bit. So you're going to do the same thing. If you have eyebrow gel or anything like that, you would normally shape it with the eyebrow gel first before you do anything else like this. Um, if I don't have eyebrows, so it makes no sense for me to buy eyebrow gel to have to do it like that for you. Because I got rid of my eyebrows purposely. So you're going to diffuse it like that. Then you're going to go in with your concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Listen, you can't get rid of the OGs, okay? The OGs are there for a reason. put a little. You can put it on the back of your hands if you want, but I have one of these. I have one of these, so I'm going to use one of these. I'm going to squeeze. This is in the shade Fawn. No, this is not Fawn. This is Toffee. Then you're going to go in with your brush to, as I said, clean it up better and line it better. Just going to take a little on your brush, and we are starting at the bottom here. Work with me. Alright, so hopefully you guys can be able to see what I'm doing. Okay? Alright guys, so now you are going to go in with your darker shade. The darker shade can match your complexion to the T. So going to go in with the darker shade though. This is the LA Girl Chestnut. Alright, so we're going to go at the top. So we're going at the top. So again, let's put it on your brush. And like the first procedure, we're just cleaning up. So hopefully you guys are seeing me again. Yes. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And it takes a while. Listen, I'm going to be straight with you. It takes a while to perfect your technique, your brew technique. Okay? It takes a while to perfect it. Because Because if you were to see my old pictures, I don't know what I was doing. I think most of those old pictures are on my TikTok. So if you go over to my TikTok page, you will see them. I don't know what I was doing. So this is the right. This is the life. So we are going to go in. I'm going to go in with the right now. So what you want to do is ensure that your brows are perfectly matched as possible. And that is the reason why I love to do my brows first before I do anything else, just to ensure that they match perfect. And this is the final look. See the brows? Snatched. Snatched. Yes, so like I said, you want your brows to be as perfect as possible, but it's going to take time for you to get that look, especially if you're just starting out. I was able to achieve this when I just started learning to do makeup, but a little bit of practice and finding your own technique. That's the number one thing that you need to always remember. There are a million and one techniques out there on the internet, on YouTube, on all of these places, and sometimes that won't work for you. What you can do is try the different techniques and probably like switch around different techniques to find your technique. Okay, because trust me, if you follow most of these techniques, yes, I keep saying the word techniques. If you follow most of these techniques, you will get fatigued, right? And you will burn out and you get frustrated and all of that. So my little foolish advice is find your technique, right? As long as it works for you, then it's your technique and you just work with it and you don't care what nobody wants to see. But like I said, this is the finished product. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. What other tutorial you would like me to do? Because I've given you glam tutorial, lip tutorial. I know I'm giving you eyebrow tutorial. I'm still learning to do wings. So don't ask me to do wings. I'm still learning. I think I've got a technique to use. I'm going to show I'll probably show you that technique another time. That kind of works for me, but I just need more practice on that. But I don't know. I'll probably give you that as another tutorial then, since there's no other tutorial for me to give you. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned something from it. I'm just giving my 2 cents in this industry. And yeah, we're having fun over here. That's what we are doing, having fun over here. But don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you're new here, subscribe and join in on the fun. You can join my Instagram channel. The link is down below. And remember, my Ko-fi page is up and running, so you can head over there and join a membership or donate, whichever you are able to do in the moment. And yeah, stick around and be with me on this journey of makeup. Bye.